Hi guys, it's Rai. Come and join us to eat at Kurobutaya here in Japan.
Hello.
Kurobutaya is a restaurant in Japan that serves a black pig's food, such as tonkatsu or breaded pork cutlet in English, shabu-shabu, grilled or steak-style black pig. Yung black pig guys sa Pinas pa, kahit saan matatagpuan sa ating mga probinsya. Here in Japan naman guys, sa Kagoshima lang ito matatagpuan. Kaya they considered is as premium here in Japan. Order pala namin dito guys is kalbi or grilled pork marinated in Korean style sauce. Ang sarap niya guys, juicy yung meat niya guys at sobrang lambot, promise. At di rin papatalo yung tonjiro nila or pork soup. I love the radish and the pork is so rich in flavor talaga. Anli pala dito yung rice and soup nila guys. Pwede kang makailang ukawari. Kaya atak na rin kayo dito guys. Yung resto nila mostly matatagpuan inside Lumini Malls. Yung order pala natin is merong cabbage salad. Goma yung dressing nila. After we eat, may paotsa sila guys. So hanggang dito lang muna tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Till next vlog. Bye!